You need to also understand that when discussing about who is exploiting who in our economic relationship, we put on the table that we are there aware that the bulk of our gold which is smuggled by South African citizens with South African number plates. If you go to people who are roaming in Chiazwa, they are South African citizens wanting to buy illegally our diamonds. If you go to all our gold producing centers, especially under the artisanal miners, what you find there are South African number plates. They have the cash, so they are buying and smuggling it out to South Africa. We pointed out that. We also pointed out that, in fact, we are there aware also that the platinum companies here, we export platinum to South Africa for refining. And we are only paid for 1 mineral. As you know, the platinum ore contains not just platinum, but I think 3 or 4 other minerals, rhodium,
up to half just that.
Silver, and so on. And we only get paid for 1 because we have no refinery. Something that if we are able to establish a refinery, we should be able to correct. So these are issues that we need to have frank discussions upon, including the vast majority of our Zimbabweans who occupy very, should we say, important positions in their industry, in their commerce, in their banking, in their insurance companies, and so forth, and making a contribution to the economy of South Africa. This is not acknowledged, but as we deliberate in future meetings on the economy, these are issues that we should put on the table. And of course, our own view is Zanu PF, well put by our head of delegation, Dr. PF, is that as long as the skewed nature of our economic relationship is not addressed in a serious manner, migration, no one will stop the migration. We have to reverse that, to correct that skewed nature, where our economies surrounding South Africa are what they've been for the past centuries, since diamonds and gold was discovered on the land. We need to correct that. If we do, then that will stem any tide of migration, whether from Zimbabwe or from any other country from our region. And that is the path that we should travel upon, all of us, ANC and Zanu PF and other members of the SADC community.